Take a deep breath right now. Did it feel light or was it heavy, shallow, tight? Maybe a little harder than it used to be? If you're over 60, chances are your lungs are not as strong as they once were. Maybe you get breathless faster. Maybe climbing stairs has become a challenge. Maybe even walking long distances leaves you tired. But here's something most people don't know. Your lungs don't weaken because of age alone. They weaken because the muscles supporting your lungs lose strength, and the lungs lose elasticity. But what if you could reverse that? Not with machines, not with complicated breathing exercises, but with a gentle night ritual that prepares your lungs to heal while you sleep. Let me explain something powerful. At night, when your breath naturally slows down, your lungs try to repair inflammation and restore their elasticity. But if your lungs are dry, irritated, or inflamed from the day, the repair never completes. That's why seniors wake up with congestion, tight chest, wheezing, shortness of breath, poor stamina. But there is a simple, natural way to support your lungs. A nighttime lung-calming drink paired with a 2-minute breathing pattern. Here is the lung-nourishing drink. 1 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 and 2 teaspoon ginger juice or grated ginger. Optional, pinch of turmeric or cinnamon. Why is this so powerful? Ginger reduces airway inflammation. Honey soothes your throat and opens bronchial passages. Warm water loosens mucus and relaxes chest muscles. But the magic happens after the drink. You sit comfortably, close your eyes, and breathe like this. Inhale 3 seconds, exhale 6 seconds. This breathing doubles your lung capacity over time. It trains your diaphragm, it stretches your lungs gently. It improves oxygen flow to your blood. Do this nightly, and your lungs start to regain their natural strength. Now imagine yourself weeks from now. You climb stairs without stopping. You walk without losing breath. Your chest feels lighter. Your lungs feel freer. Your stamina returns. This is not magic. This is your body healing the way it was designed to. So tonight, begin the ritual. A simple drink, a simple breath. A simple promise to your lungs. Your breath is your life. Protect it, strengthen it, nurture it,